The Dundee Scots band, per se, is not, quote, your typical band in the sense of what you might think you would see. But within the band itself, there are many units. 20 years ago, a band front was considered 2 or 3 twirlers and a drum major. Today, this is expanded into many, many units. And at this time, I would like you to meet the people responsible for these front units and for the band proper. These are the people that teach them. These are the people that discipline them. These are the people that train them. Without them, I would have a terrible, terrible job. The drill team sergeants this year are Don Detman and Terrell Kendrick. Rifle Sergeant Andy Brick. Color Guard Sergeants Patty Cesada and Dee Dee Kelly. Drum Majors Bonnie Zinger and Millie Beckman. And the gentleman responsible for all the conducting this evening, who was given credit to be the director of the Dundee Scots Band at this concert last year, Senior Drum Major Steve Toffanelli.